Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Cadillac Driven. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Govee lights for the Cadillac CT6. And yes, we're still working on that simply because we still got so many months that we got to wait on this car. So we want to upscale it a little bit with adding a little bit more luxury to the car. You already seen the diamond car mats. These are going to look awesome in the car. We're going to do an unboxing real quick. And if you want to check these out or support the channel, then we'll leave these down in the description box down below for you guys to go check it out on Amazon.com. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's get started with this review. All right, you all, these are the lights outside of the box. You're going to get 4 of these. We're going to show you how these lay out outside of the car, just to give you an idea of what we're going to do. And then we also get these manuals. This one here says your journey begins. Now you're also going to be able to control your lights off an app on your phone. So this QR code should take us exactly to the App Store. I got an Android phone. If you got Apple, it'll take you to the Apple Store. All right. And then we got the the user manual. Don't throw this away. This is going to show you exactly how it works and how it functions. And then we also have screws as well. Now, we're not going to screw any holes in this car at all. This is my baby. We don't need this. Now, actually, this one here says that it has a Govee home light, which we just showed you, app. And then you got 16 million colors that you can customize, colorful lighting, adjust brightness, which I thought was awesome because we don't want this thing super bright in the car. That could be very distracting. And then you got the DIY scenes. We're going to check that out. Music mode, which we'll probably never use, but we are going to show you how that works. And then we got where it says it's safe to use. Now, I don't know if you can use this outside of the car as well as on the inside. I believe you can. I believe this is waterproof. Okay, so let's show you the layout and how this looks on the ground. All right, you all, this is how this is going to work. See this right here? That's going to go into the front. And these two right here are going to go into the back. And the reason that is because my plug that's going to plug into the cigarette lighter is in the back and not in the front. And also the controller is going to go on the side. We're going to show you how that's done. But what we're going to do is we're going to go on both sides of the seating with this. Hey, right, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. We finally got this done. Now, it was real tough for me to show you guys how it's done, but simply I ran the lights down both sides over here and over there, the two that are separate. I had to bring them up front. Now, you may have to do yours in reverse depending on what car you have, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second. But what I did was I was able to hide it here. I didn't hide it up under the carpet. No, I did not run it on the outside here because it was easier to run over here, which was pretty cool. And this is hiding the wire, which is nice. I like that, and that's not bad. So here it is right here, you all. I don't know if you can see it. There it is right there. The wires are ran all the way over here. You see, I already got lighting, but Cadillac did not give us lighting to be able to customize so far as colors are concerned. So I ran it down the side here, and it goes all the way back, and it goes up under here. Now, there's my plug. My plug is not in the front, it is in the back, all right, which made it really, really tough to do. Now, the other thing I want to show you is where the power is and where you can control the colors. I'm going to tell you about that. All right, you all, we got everything all set up. It was real easy for me to do it this way. I don't have anybody to record me, so I'm just going to tell you exactly what I did. As you can see, this lighting right here, right, doesn't have any wires on both sides. Now, the wires that have, the lights that has it on both sides are going to go in the back for the Cadillac CT6 simply because our power source is in the back. Right now, they do have lights that have the USB plug. I got this one, so mine is in the back. So I had to do mine in reverse. So these lights that don't have anything attached at the other end are the ones that are going to be leading to the front again for the Cadillac CT6. Now, as you can see, we got it running behind here, which is nice. These diamond mats made it real easy for me to go ahead and hide these wires without pulling this out and hiding the wire behind here. I'm going to run it, and then I'm going to place it right up under here, and I'm going to show you how you do this. Just repeat what you're going to do here on the driver's side over on the passenger side as well. Okay, so let's take a look at how this looks. All right, you all, we got it all done. As you can see, no wires are showing, which is nice. All the way down the side, you won't see anything as well. And here is where the light is. It's right here. And this 3M is very durable, you all. I took this off a few times, so you don't have to worry about that if you need to replace it somewhere else. But it should stick nicely and it should show real nice. Okay, but let's go ahead. Let's take a look at the back. And in the back, it's ran right here, and it's also ran on the other side. As you can see, there's wires on both sides because one wire is leading to the other side where the other lights are. And I'm just going to simply put it right up under the seat right here. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Let's put that up right now. Now I am going to have to use some of the zip ties that go here for the wires just to hide them a little bit nicer on this side and on this side as well, which is cool. Now, one thing before we go ahead and start demoing this light, this here, I keep this on, right? This is my power button. That's not going anywhere. I'm never turning that off. I think I got it set up nicely. Do you see how I ran the wire? It's up under here and you can't see a thing, which is pretty cool. Now, if I didn't have these mats, I would see the wire. I don't know how I would have worked with that, but nobody sits in the middle anyway, so I wouldn't have to worry about that. But I'm glad I got the mats to hide the wire nicely. Let me show you again. That's how the wire looks. It's out the way. Nobody's going to trip over it, hopefully. And that's it. Now, the other thing I need to show you is my box for the control is here. Now, I couldn't put it up front. It won't reach. It's close to the back for where this is. And so it wouldn't reach. So I'm not going to really use this, but it is in the place if I really need to. I can grab it. This is going to be a power button. You're going to be able to control what color lights are on. And then here is going to be for the brightness. Okay. So if you have your lighter up front, then you're going to be good. Me, I'm going to tuck it down here, not deep. It's out the way. So if I need to reach back and I need to get a quick change while I'm rolling, I can do that there, right? Or maybe I'll figure out something different. But that's it, you all. See how clean it looks? You can't even see it. No wires, no nothing. Let's see how they look with these awesome mats that I got in the car. What do you guys think? I'm going to leave the link to in the description box down below for you to check out these mats. But other than that, let's go ahead. Let's check out the app and see how the colors look on these diamond car. All right, you all, let's check out the app for the device so you can be able to change the different colors. We're going to show you all the different functions of this particular app. But first, you got to download the app. You got a QR code on the blue code you got, the blue card you got in your box, right? So scan that. If you don't have the QR code on your smartphone, just go to the Google Play Store, your Apple Store, and just download the QR code app. Or I believe you could put in Govee Home. All right. But once you get this downloaded, it's going to pair to your smartphone via Bluetooth and it connects really, really fast. I didn't have no problem with it. And this is going to be the look of the actual app. Now, the app looks pretty nice, right? You got so many different features on here. I paid $19.95.99 for this, and I thought it was a better deal than paying $52 to get a remote or a remote control to actually control the function of the lighting. Some come with a key fob that you could do the same thing with. We didn't need that because we're just going to be setting our color to our favorite color throughout the week, maybe throughout the month, maybe throughout the events like Christmas or whatever. So we're not going to be changing it all the time. But with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's take a look at this. Now, here we got Effect Lab. Now, Effect Lab brings you all these different shades of colors. You got ingredients, right? For the shade that you would like, maybe to tie into that outfit you have on for the day, which is pretty cool. You got natural, you got season, you got stars. You got tons and tons of different ones that you can apply depending on how you feeling for that day or where you at. And then you got Effects Lab, and you also got Harmony. We're not going to go through those, but we will go back and show you that if you want to cut it on and off from the app, you can do so right from here if you so choose to. I don't know why you would, but if you want to, you can. All right. So then now we have timers. So if you want to set a timer, you got different timers you could set. And then you got wake up, you got sleeping. Me, I would never bother this because I like for mine to come on when the car starts and when the car turns off. And so now we got these different, well, first of all, we got the brightness. So if you want the brightness, let me show you. Uh, turn down, like you're on the road and lighting is distracting, then you can turn it down. Me, I'm going to leave it up for video purposes. But look how that purple looks against the red stitching on my diamond mats. They look absolutely awesome. Not bad, right? Okay, so let's go back out and we're going to go to the different modes. This is music. So as I talk, this is going to light up, right? So if you got music going, it's going to go to the beat of the music, which is awesome. I never use this. This is definitely very, very distracting. But if you like this, you're on the party scene, you got your car sitting and you got the music going, this is going to look absolutely awesome. And again, we will never use that one, but we're going to go to color. Now, color is going to bring up these presets of colors, right? Which is really, really nice. You got the presets, and if you want to use this sliding bar to go through the different colors, you can. If you want it to be set, let's say warm, this is what warm looks like. And then let's do the cool white. And that's what cool white looks like. We're going to pretty much leave it in the middle. I like it in the middle. It looks nice. And then you're going to come down right now. This is my favorite one. This is a color wheel. Now I'm going to go to the beginning. So if you want to set colors, you can set colors. I'm going to leave it here and just cycle through some colors for you guys so you can see. Look how that red stitching is showing. It looks nice. And that's that turquoise. And then, of course, you got white that you could set as well. I'm going to leave it on that purple because I love the way it brings out the red stitching. But check this out, right? If you scroll over to the left, now you got all these different ones, and it's got different sayings. You got sad, you got relaxed, you got happy. Let's go back into this. Sorry about that. And you just simply tap on the different ones, and we're going to tap on grief. This is what grief looks like. Mysterious. And then you got aggravated. So depending on how you're feeling for the day, you can set this accordingly, which is nice. And then you got this one here, which is pretty much the same as the wheel. They got it in blocks going across, and then you can just simply scroll till you get to the color you like, which is nice, very nice. And so we're going to go back out. And if you want to save that color, you can actually save that color. It says save successfully. But if you want to set a certain color, just go ahead and tap here, find the color that you want to set, and there you go. And then all you simply got to do is hit back, confirm or cancel. We're going to confirm because we might want that color again. And these are some of your presets right there, ready for you to press on and you're good to go. Let's see what that orange looks like. That's that orange. It's going to look a lot better at night. That's that red. And again, this is that pinkish color that definitely sets off the color of the stitching of the diamond mats. And so this is nice. Now, let's go to the thing, the scenes. Now, the scenes are actually nice too. Check out this lightning. This is lightning, you all. This is what it's going to do throughout the ride. Now we're on universe. And now we're going to go to fire. Now, fire goes from dark to light, kind of a reddish color. And then you got so many different ones. You got river, you got, of course, spring, winter. And if we go back, check this out. You got festival, you got life. These are all the different ones that you can set emotions, right? You got happy. This is happy. Kind of like a heartbeat a little bit, right? It goes low, it goes high. So that's pretty nice. And then you have DIY. So if you want to set a DIY, you can. I have yet to play with this yet. But I do love the features on here. I mean, I thought that Govee did a good job with this, especially for 1995. This is not bad. Again, they have other products that you can tie into this as well. Remember, you can cut it on and off from here. This is your settings. You probably would never have to worry about that. You do have device safety, hardware information, product information as well. And we're going to go back out to the beginning. But that's it, you all. This is what the app looks like. These are the functions and features that this app have, which I thought was really, really awesome, you guys. So I need for you all to do me a favor. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this app. Is this a down? Is this a buy? Or are you going to leave this one right where it's at? All right, you all, support the channel. The Amazon link will be in the description box down below. I'm going to see you all at the next video. Enjoy life. have some fun, and remember to remember, you all, please be safe.